Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to automatically delete your Telegram account after being inactive for 1 month using Telegram Web on your PC. This is part of Telegram's latest privacy update, and it's a really useful feature if you want to keep your account secure and avoid leaving unused data behind. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Web on your computer using your preferred browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where all your account options are located. From here, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Privacy and Security. This section is where Telegram gives you full control over your account safety and data management. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled If Away For. This is the feature that controls automatic account deletion when you're inactive. Click on it and you'll see several time options like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and more. Go ahead and choose 1 month. After selecting 1 month, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it.